Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to calculate age from date of birth. So you can see here that I have a very simple list of staff and their corresponding date of birth, and I want to calculate their age based on their date of birth. Now, this might sound very simple because all we need to do is to figure out what year is the current year and then subtract the year of birth from the current year in order to get their age. Alright, so first let's extract the year that they were born from their date of birth. Okay, so I'm going to create a new column and call it year born. And in order to figure out what year they were born in, we can easily use the year function. So equal year, okay, serial number is B4, close bracket, and then hit enter. Okay. And for current year, if you are lazy, you can just type 2023, but if you want it to be precise, because we might use this calculation next year and the year after that, then use the today function. So equal today, close bracket. So that will give us current date format, but we don't want that. We just want the year only. So make sure that the number is formatted as general. Otherwise, it will give you a lot of trouble. Okay, current year is 2023. And now we can derive the age. So just use the current year and then subtract the year of date of the year of birth. All right, and then we'll get the age. So far so good, right? But actually no, this is quite dangerous because it treats everybody the same. It only takes into account of the year that the staff was born in, and then it totally disregards the day and then the month they were born. Now staff 1, his birthday is on the 24th of January, so he will only turn 37 on the 24th of January, and then before that he could be 36. Now, and you can see that this is happening with staff 3, whose date of birth is on the 14th of December. Actually, he is now 45, but because we only take into account of the year he was born, so now he becomes 46. That is not correct. All right, so we will need to be more precise. So let's scrap this and do it again. This is incorrect and it can be very, very messy. Let's try a different approach. Instead of the year function, we will use the YEARFRAC function. YEARFRAC. And basically what the YEARFRAC function does is that it will return us the year fraction. For example, if a person was born at the beginning of the year and now it is November, then YEARFRAC will return us with the person age plus the fraction of the year. So it will be more accurate. All right, so let me show you how this can be done. YEARFRAC. Okay, the start date is the date of birth. Okay, the end date is today. The basis, you don't have to worry much about it. I could use either 1 or 3. Usually we will divide a year into 360 days or 365 days. So in this case, I'm going to choose 1. Okay, close bracket and then hit enter. So it is returning us that step number 1 is 37.79 years of age, and then step number 2 is 28.31. All right, now we have the YEARFRAC, but we don't want that. We just want their current age. We will use another function called the TRUNC function. And what the TRUNC function does is that it will round up the numbers into an integer, and then it will remove all the decimals. All right, so TRUNC, open bracket, the number is C4. The number is C4, okay, comma. And then for the number of digits, then we need to specify how many digits after the whole integer that we want TRUNC to return us. In this case, we are not interested in the fraction. So we just press 0 and then close bracket and then hit enter. Now it will return us with the correct age. And then we can easily test to see if the formula is working properly. So for example, step number 3, his birthday is on the 14th of December. Now today is the 8th of November, so we'll just change his birthday slightly to, let's say, 14th of October. Now look what happens. Okay, so I'm going to press enter. Now, as soon as we change his birthday, then his age will be changed accordingly. So this is the correct result. So I hope you found this video helpful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.